Do you want to go see the baby dogs? Okay, go sit on the green blanket. Go sit on the blanket. Black. He is black. He's got little white feet, doesn't he? I know. They're walking, aren't they? Look at how happy they are. Yeah. Is he biting you? Sit down. Sit. There you go. Just sit. There you go. Mm-hmm. Oh, look. Mm-hmm. Who's that crawling all over you? Is that Maddie?
Maddie.
Mm-hmm. And Josie, you got your fingers?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Doc, uh-huh. He's black. Mm-hmm. Black. He's black. Feet. He has feet. Mm-hmm. Okay, don't pick him up, baby. Just pet him. Can you pet the babies? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Josie's crawling on you. Can you give him a kiss? Very good. You done? You ready to get up? All right. Wait. Careful. Careful. Okay.